Okay. So this is the Clavaro typing tutor, yet another touch typing tutor. This is the Clavaro website. Clavaro is a typing tutor which can increase your typing speed. Uh, so I am running this software with you. Okay, so there is some chapters types like introduction, basic course, adaptability, speed, fluidity. Keyboard layout, you can select various keyboard layouts. Current is USA. There is various typing system. We select QWERTY and language. We select English. There is English or English UK. Okay, so we check each of the four options. So first is the introduction. So introduction keyboard use a QWERTY to position the hands. Correct positioning of the hands and fingers is very important to efficient typing. You will learn faster and type better if you follow the next recommendation. Next step, the index finger tips rest over each of the two keys which have a small raised mark in the center of the keyboard, like F and J. These marks function as tactile hooks for your fingers to remain at the correct position. This way, with a little experience, you will not need to look at the keyboard to see if your fingers are properly positioned. Next is the tips of the other fingers lie naturally beside the index ones over the keys on the some row of the keyboard. Next, the outside edges of your thumbs rest over the space bar. The part of the hands closest to the wrist, the base rests over the table. Outside the keyboard, without this kind of support, the arms would quickly tire. This is referred to as the home position for the hands. From it, the finger move all over the keyboard, reaching all the keys as naturally and quickly as possible. To reach this goal, one uses a specific relation between each key and finger. This rotation will be learned gradually as you complete the basic course. When learning the relation between fingers and keys, it is very important that you only move the finger which must press the key and allow all other fingers to remain in the home position. After memorizing this relationship, you can relax the previous rules some so that you can attain greater speed while typing. The shift keys are used for capital letters and for some symbols. To get a shifted key input, you should first use the small finger of the opposite hand. Just keep it in the closest shift while reaching the target key with the other hand. You should be prepared to start training with the basic course. It will take effort and patience to be successful as a typist. We trust you have these and look forward to your success. So this is the first lesson introduction. Now we start the basic course. First steps with initial training. The basic course focuses on having you read the characters presented to you on screen and typing the corresponding keys. Remember to keep your hands correctly oriented on the home row of the keyboard at all times. See Introduction on main menu. The key set used in each series will be shown in the above message line. The space shift and enter keys may not show up there but are used very often. The message line below follows and echoes your key presses if required. It changes and displays the instructions for actions required from you. Press any key to start the exercise. Okay. So we have to type these characters here. So this is the lessons numbers: second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so this custom lesson is empty. You can define two or more different characters to generate a personal practice. So there are various 48 something lessons. So course information, this is, and this is the progress. Basic course, adaptability, speed, fluidity. So basic course. So back to main menu. Next is adaptability. Here you may practice and improve your memorizations of all keys. There will be sentences presented with nonsense words which mix some numbers and symbols. In order to keep the lesson contents, language, and keyboard independent, accented letter combinations will probably not appear. For real-world sentences, please use the fourth options of the main menu, about fluidness. After each exercise, there will be a brief statistics panel reviewing your performance along with some relevant comments. So starting the exercise, there are some words. So I have completed this lessons. This is statics, time elapsed 2 minutes and 54 seconds, error ratio 31 by 510, accuracy 93%, goal 98%, comment. You are doing well, but could you make the accuracy reach 95? So our progress, adaptability, here accuracy, speed, accuracy, this, speed, this, and errors, this, and touch times, this. Okay. So our next lesson. So our next lesson is speed. Okay, so this exercise is very similar to the second one for adaptability. The difference is that here you will type real world. The default language is the actual one of the interface, but you may select any other text with words you would like to use. Press the other options above and add files containing those texts. With this exercise, the focus is on speed, so you are supposed to type really fast, and I will only flatter you when you deserve it. Okay, so start the lesson. So I have completed this exercise. My statics is elapsed time 1 minute and 50 seconds, error ratio 18 by 464, accuracy 96%, goal 95%, characters per second 4.03, goal 4.2, words per minute 48.4, goal 50 WPM. Comments, very good, you are almost there. Can you finally reach 50 WPM? So our progress is speed, math, this is accuracy, speed, this. Okay, so other text, so this is velocity exercise. Okay, so back to main menu. Now we come to fluidity. Uh, this is the fluidity. We will now use complete sentences and paragraphs which make logical sense. This may distract you while you type it. You try to understand what you are entering. The previous exercises were aimed at getting you to type without interpreting and analyzing the content. We do not mean to imply that the typist must behave like a robot without understanding what they type. We do aim to develop the skills of typing, making it an automatic reflex akin to the act of walking, talking, etc. After reaching this goal, the act of typing will become automatic and require little concentration. Then you will be able to pay attention to the real meaning of the text. These exercises are longer. Each exercise consists of three paragraphs, and the emphasis is placed on correctness and rhythm. With a minimum speed requirement, here you will be required to use the backspace key to correct any mistakes. In other words, only input without errors will be accepted. Okay, so start the exercise. So I completed my exercise. My statics is elapsed time 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Error ratio 51 by 1246. Accuracy 95.9%. Goal 97%. Characters per second 3.76. Goal 4.2. Words per minute 45.1. Goal 50. Wordness 79.9%. Goal 70%. Score 5.9. Okay, so there is other test. This you can select a paragraph. So this is the top 10. What is my progress? This is accuracy, speed, fluidity, score, and everything. So we accuracy and adaptability, speed, fluidity. So this is the progress. Okay, so this is the short introduction to the Clavaro typing tutor. Clavaro, yet another typing tutor. Remember always someone loves you. So there is different languages like Hindi. So if we test fluidity, then there will be text in Hindi. So this is the Clavaro typing tutor. Thanks.